Hey guys, it's Daisha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're kind of doing a summer kind of pink lemonade inspired makeup look. So in honor of summer, like the kickoff of summer, I don't know, I just feel like lemonade is a very summery drink, obviously, but I don't just want to do like a full yellow look just because like that's so basic or whatever. So I'm gonna do a pink lemonade look. Also, I just love pink, so yeah. I also love a multicolored look. Like that's just like something that really like excites me. So yeah, I guess if you guys wanna see my pink lemonade inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. And I'll probably zoom in just so you can see my eyes when I'm doing it, because that's like a very important part, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I just moved it up a little closer just so you guys can like see the eyeshadow good and all that stuff, because that's kind of like the main point. You guys are probably tired of hearing me say it in almost every single video, but I just kind of drew up a little face chart like look of kind of how I want the makeup look to look. Obviously I like doing that because I feel like it gives me like a sense of control. It gives me a sense of what I'm doing, and that's just something that like I need when I'm doing my makeup. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. This one is obviously not obviously, but this one is lighter than I usually would use for my like base and foundation and stuff, and that's just because I really want my eyeshadow to be like bright and pigmented and stuff. Look how light it is. So for the pink or like the crease, we're going to be using the Alexis Stone Makeup Revolution palette. And on a Morphe M504 brush, we're just going to take the first pink and start lightly blending that into my crease. I'm not winging it out, I'm just kind of keeping that circular shape of my eye. I'm keeping the circular shape but bringing it a little bit out further than my eye, just so when I connect it to the bottom it all is like even, you know what I mean? Because if I stop at the eye, then like when I go to connect the bottom, it'll be like a little bit further out, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna take the second pink in that row of pink. So basically when I do an eyeshadow look like this and I'm using this palette, I just like to like go down the row all in order and just like lightly blend them into each other so it creates like a gradient effect. So I'm going to take the second pink on a Morphe M330 brush. And I'm going to take the fourth pink and put it on the outer corner of my eye and also into the crease. This is kind of, when I put it on the outer corner of my eye, it kind of gives a little bit of extra help after I like cut the crease to help blend it out. So yeah, sometimes it covers it up like when I cut the crease. I just said that because I remember I would do like my makeup in front of my family. They're like, you're just covering up all that blending that you did. I'm like, it's helping for the future of blending out the cut crease. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more of that darkest pink and dip like once into the black and just put it into the crease right above where I would cut the crease. I just feel that this gives the cut crease some depth when you put like the darkest color right above it. But you don't want to go too overboard, otherwise, especially when you're doing like a, like since this is pink lemonade inspired, this is already like kind of dark for pink lemonade, but it'll all make sense once I put like the yellow and stuff. So that's why you don't want it to be like too dark of a pink, because then it won't really like make sense. And now I'm gonna cut my crease with that same Juvia's Place number 20 concealer, just because I really want that cut crease to be very light, because once we pack on that yellow, you want it to be as vibrant as possible, because that's kind of like the shining point of this look. Like you can't have pink lemonade without like yellow, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna cut my crease with this concealer. Okay, and every time I try to use a different yellow, I regret it. I'm like, oh, I should have just used my yellow that I always use. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take that yellow on a big flat brush, and I'm just gonna apply it to the lid. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is literally like the smallest brush that I have, which is the Morphe M213. And I'm just gonna get right up there on the crease. You see how you can still kind of see some concealer? Because if I use a bigger brush like I used to for all of the lid to do the little up close to the crease, then it might mix in with the pink shade, and then the cut crease won't look as sharp. So that's basically why I take the smaller brush and get real close. Okay, now that that yellow is on, we're gonna start blending out the end of the yellow just so it doesn't look like a very stark ending. I like the way like a cut crease looks when it's blended out. So we're just gonna take that same row of pinks from the Alexa Stone palette, and we're gonna go in order from lightest to darkest. And you want to start the lightest, like the closest to the inner corner, and then take the darkest and blend it into the pink again. That'll just give a really nice gradient. And I'm gonna take the Maybelline Long Lasting, why do I always say that? The Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in the shade Blackest Black. And I'm just gonna do a very thin liner on my lash line. See, I tend to go a little bit overboard, so if you can do it thinner than I can, or if you have like a gel, not a gel, like a pencil liner, what do they call, you know, like the ones you shake up, then that would be great. But this looks fine either way. So now I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I'll come back probably with like my foundation and everything done, because that's not really an important part, and then do my under eye and the extra things I got going on. Okay, so I did my foundation and everything, so all that is done. So now we're just gonna do finishing touches on eyes. Well, I'm trying to fix my eyebrows a little bit because they look a little bit crazy. So I'm gonna do my under eyes now. So basically we're gonna kind of keep the same color scheme, but we're gonna do pink, and then once it hits to where the yellow is on the top, we're gonna do yellow. So basically it's gonna look the same as the top with like some pink and yellow. You want to make sure you connect it to the top. Cute. Okay. And I don't know if you guys know, if you have seen my other videos, I have become strongly obsessed with like crystals recently. So just as you can see in the picture, if I put it up on the screen again, I have 4 yellow, but I'm gonna do 3. Some yellow and then pink. So basically you're gonna just place it where the color is, as you can see on the picture right here. So we're gonna do that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like you can see like the shimmer of it. It's a little bit uneven, but that's how I be rolling sometimes. So yeah, I really like it. I think it's so pretty. I feel like it gives very Pink Lemonade vibes. I'm gonna put on a lash, and then probably a lip. I don't really know what I want to do with my lips yet, so I'll probably just put on a lash, and then we'll come back for the finished look. Okay, so I did do a little bit something different that you guys didn't see. I just kind of like put some of that pink eyeshadow like where I would put blush, just to kind of like blend everything together and give that really cute like super intense blush look. Oh, and then for my lips, I just line them with this MAC liner that I had for a long time. It's MAC lip liner, obviously in the shade Plum, and then I just took my finger and put a little bit of concealer in the middle, and voila, that's how I did that. I think this look is really cute. I like am in love with this look, especially the way that the crystals are like shining and just like taking on the colors and just like everything about this look. It gives me such like pinky girly pink lemonade vibes. I don't know, for pink lemonade and like summer I just get very like dewy vibe. So like the fact that my face is so like dewy and wet, I don't know, I feel like adds to the like pink lemonade summer vibe. Let me know if you agree in the comments or whatever. But yeah, this is the finished look. I love it so much, and I honestly feel like it matches my sketch pretty good. I love when that happens. It just makes me feel so good that I can like recreate a face chart that I did with my idea and it like looks good. So that just makes me happy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. It'll be on the screen right here, but it'll also be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Subscribe, watch another video, because you're already here, you know what I'm saying? So